sugar. Sugar and more sugar. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nurse Leslie, the channel with life hacks and health advice for women. So to all the ladies and the men watching this video, today is Wednesday, you guys. We're halfway the week and we're almost at the weekend. And not just the weekend, Saturday will be first Christmas Day. Kinda excited, I hope you are too. So for this in advance, a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year to you in advance. So guys, as you may have guessed, this video is going to be about sugar. Sugar, sugary sweet. Tastes so sweet, tastes so delicious, but so bad for our health. So guys, we all know, right, that consuming too much sugar can lead to serious health problems like being overweight or even becoming obesity overweight, health problems in the area of heart disease, vascular cardio diseases, diabetes type 2 mostly. It's very bad for your teeth. In the long run, it can even cause you cavities or tooth decay. The list is endless of health problems that consuming too much sugar can cause you, or either in short or long term. But before I get into this topic, I'm going to break down sugar into two groups. We have, of course, our natural sugars, and we have our unnatural added sugars. Now, our natural sugars, I have two examples for you. One natural sugar is lactose. Now, lactose is a natural sugar found in our milk products. And we have our fructose, which is also another natural sugar, mostly found in our fruit products. Now, there's an endless list of sugars, but the list is going to be way too long and it's going to be a very clinical video. That's not what I want to get into. So, of course, we also have, like I said, our unnatural sugars, our added sugars, our table sugars. And this is found in the products that we love so much. Cakes, pastries, ice cream, chocolates, and my all-time favorite, creme brulees, muffins, you name it. An endless list of products that contain the bad added table sugars. These are mostly the sugars that cause us endless health problems. Now, when it comes to natural sugars, I just want to have this said. Natural sugars like in fruits, bananas. Of course, fam, it doesn't mean that you can binge eat yourself through a bowl of apples, because there's the saying, too much of a good thing is also not a good thing. So it doesn't mean that products that have natural sugars you can just binge eat, because also overeating natural sugars could cause you serious health problems in the long run. So why am I talking about sugar in this video, you guys? Well, beyond types of cancers and heart-related disease, you guys, obesity is also a very serious health problem across the globe. And as I'm always saying, I truly care for you. And this is why I want to give you the best health advice possible. So what I'm going to do, fam, as of January the 1st, I'm going to put myself through a no sugar challenge. Of course, I'm only talking about the bad added sugars, not the natural sugars, because we actually need our natural sugars to operate and function on a daily basis. So fam, from January 1st, I will be posting a short every single day. You're going to hear and see everything. My ups, my downs. I'm going to let you know what I have eaten in a day or I'm going to eat in a day. I'm going to tell you what exercises I have performed. I'm going to tell you how I feel. I'm going to show you how I look. Why am I doing this? So you can clearly see changes from January 1st till January 31st. What I want to do is show the physical effects that no sugar can have and how beneficial it can be for your health. You'll absolutely everything open, everything out in the open. So fam, if you're considering a no sugar challenge, then make sure to watch my shorts that will be released every single day. So you might see any differences. Maybe you'll see my skin clear or my eyes clear up. Maybe you'll see me drop a few pounds. I want you to really see, not just me telling you in the video what it can do for you, but that you can also literally see what it does. So fam, if you think this is very interesting, let me know down in the comments below. I will also put up a poll, and this poll is going to be a surprise. So fam, if you think this video was awesome, if you really love my channel, make sure for new fam to like and subscribe. Push that notification bell so you will know when my next video is ready to go fam. And once again, Nurse Leslie loves you. Also an extra note, of course, I will be posting regular videos also once a week. And there's still a Christmas video coming. So fam, I hope you have a terrific day. Enjoy yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself and take care of the ones you love and care for. And I will see you in the next video.